NVIDIA just dropped a digital atomic bomb on the gaming world, and nothing will ever look the same again. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. Forget everything you thought you knew about good graphics, because Jensen Huang just unveiled a DLSS 5, and it's officially the GPT moment for your eyeballs. We're talking about a total, high-octane reinvention of how your computer sees the world. Since 2018, we've been playing with ray tracing, but DLSS 5 is bridging the gap between a video game and a big-budget Hollywood blockbuster. While old-school graphics try to math their way to realism, DLSS 5 uses a genius neural model to infuse every single pixel with photorealistic light and textures. We're talking about skin that looks real enough to touch, hair that catches the light like a shampoo commercial, and fabric so detailed you'll swear you can feel the thread count. It's not just a boost, it's a total takeover. Jensen Huang calls this the biggest leap in 25 years, and games are already lining up to join the party. Icons like Todd Howard from Bethesda and the legends at Capcom are losing their minds over this tech. Imagine exploring the massive world of Starfield or the terrifying halls of a new Resident Evil with lighting that actually obeys the laws of physics. Even the Oblivion remaster is getting the star treatment. DLSS 5 runs at 4K resolution on your RTX gear, giving you smooth, interactive gameplay that looks like a movie. The AI is so smart, it understands the difference between a character's face and the clothes they're wearing, making sure everything looks perfect from every angle. The era of video game graphics is officially over, and the era of playable reality has begun. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.